Okay, now I'm going to be playing some.
Welcome to Baldis Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
I haven't played this game for a long time, all cold, because I'm in the so mad of this game. I just want to beat it. So, my high score is 6. No more. Almost to 7, but just this body. This body. 6 notebooks. Almost 7. Now, I don't know what happens when it's 7 notebooks. Maybe like we just get out by itself. You have to run to one door.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
Hey, buddy. It feels so weird now. It's because for a long time it feels not like so clean. Baldis Basics. Hello. Right click. Left click. Base banana.
Welcome to Baldis Basics in Education and Learning. Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions correctly, and you will get something special.
7.
Just, you got it. Problem 2. 6 minus 9 equals...
So we put 6 over 9.
Great job! That's right! Problem 3. 4 minus 0 equals... You're doing fantastic. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Just click on it with the left mouse button to pick it up. Then, when you find something you can use it on, right click on Problem 1. 9 minus 2.
Put 87. 1 plus 3. 7, 7. Now 23,000. lol. There's going to be 2 notebooks fast. This is 32. That's 7 notebooks fast. Maybe 6, maybe 7, maybe 8, maybe 8. What is it going to be right behind me? Any second.
I am coming, ready or here I come. No running in the hall. 15 seconds. Detention for you. When will you learn?
I was like kicking after so much. So I can go out the door.
Welcome to Baldis Basics in Education and Learning. That's me. Oh, hi.
I meant to click 7, but instead I clicked 8 and 7 at the same time. That's why 87.
Everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions correctly, and you might get something special. Just type the correct answer into the empty box. Great
Wow,
job.
this succeeds.
That's right. Problem 2. 6 plus 5 equals... You're doing fantastic.
7 minus
Problem 3. 7 minus 5 equals... Good one. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Just click on it with the left mouse button to pick it up. Then, when you find something... Problem 1. 4 minus 9 equals... Great job. That's right. Problem 2. 2. You're doing fantastic. Problem 3. Plus times equals...
LOL. Now, here we go. 1 more book. Isn't that faster? So on 2. Don't run.
I see you, friend. 15 seconds. Detention for you. When will you...
I want to play with someone. I want to play with someone.
I see you. No running in the halls. 30 seconds. Detention for you.
He's scared the heck out of me. Okay, you know what? Let's see what he said.
Basics in Education and Learning. Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
I hate boys.
Now it's time
the
for
last time I
everybody's
played one.
favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions correctly, and you might get something special. Just type the correct answer into the empty box. Press the Enter key on your keyboard when you think you have the right answer.
Look, you go from 8, 1. 12. It was juicy 12.
You need to collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors. You need to collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors.
Play with someone. I want to play with someone.
Oh yeah, there's a trick over here. So in corner, so yeah. Oh, by more 1 step. It's gonna go. Oh, dear. This stuff is like so good. Doesn't have any numbers. I wish I could look up and down.
Looks like it's sweeping time.
I don't know. Is there no, just the cute Baldi has some
I want to play with
tickle. No. S doesn't do anything. W. How does the circus look? Look at how it's like instead of going down, then this one's like this. It's kind of like. So I click in for no. I follow dying. Yeah. Guys, he's so cute. Oh, no. Oh, no, don't break the computer. No, like this you can actually do. Hey, guys. No. Hi guys, how are you doing? My name is Ray.